Anda pa dugu bodo enda man in a bigamo lo fa faro nen abere ka winyu video man na YouTube ene ma I think ngata ene mo record video no kero and recording and madam be ka sharing and I think one of our admin be responding ikom lo fa faro nen mi ro gamane mere man no na we an gira ga wa chawa ko be chawa pa kinu juba mo tiano bodo kan cha ngwen pinong char ka yura an ka mero gamu lo ke kumfaro nane ka ba chek ke tene fara onen o logo chalo no ti ipalpit po logo chalo politician po logo chalo dana we o mi ni ang mano ke vidano o logo wai la tu jiri no inge o jone ka ke tu jiri jemne mo mi po ke we ini niang because mungu la kuo mo de kenyo de katingo jiri ngat la tin bagan de tie ngo i kanisa kenyo so no premier ngo do ngo nying ni na we o kuri don sto ne o bien de level ne kin ma na no fara na ngo o lo kere kin ma winyo kere and personally I don't know that man I've had him and there's a father mo kenyo mo chung MP gere igulbeno kara and then mada neno ene makono kara mi gay bill ma ene lo ko ni speaker on leng mada ko mon mir dani ya meno ene mada ngeo ke ngo para nen mabe ke no eno apart from that I don't know that guy and myself I'm not a politician but ye lo mo mai winyo and be mire mi kame ye now I knew my brother, commander, la diro guata, e tualo duoni, reacting, come, lopa fara onani. Anke nena, fara onen po, log ma right, totual. Ke nena ba? Adi a log ene just out of ngo, win ma ana win ki log, kache days, and because recording ne ogika to right after 16 minutes. Pange if there was a continuation, but I will answer according to ngo, to gin ma ana winyo ogiriye la diti o log pango log pa kilwano log pa leta ma mego ma bira choyo an chincha bira penyo dana awai mego no choyo warga ti do lingo ke tik kamera pingo po bin be airwave mo o cho airtime mo o log dini era mego no choyo warga ti bo le ya my question was there why Eh? So in there's so many loop or the one and one you are we have to agree. There's no politics here. Ada wara ni kicho and ben ada board kid my father ko board ka on wara guy was not even copy to any police. Wara guy was not copy to any MP. Wara guy was not copy to anyone wara chana ono ruori ming or me achori ono wara guy was not copied to any leader mo can with district my don me achori ko district adi ma ti achori. Wara guy was just wara guy now and warga any pen Europe anga ma dam enforcing ba we na why balpa fight on me what you look any pere now another thing my father on why ma now nene down good taking my right and look pa kuya pin kichan as much as far on lo pa kuya pen kichan let us agree ni wana choli kuya pen uremo wa peter ni kuya pen ene lo ba yo kero chalo kin mai wai disaster kero corona bino go lo wai kuya pen ene far on the only problem found on the pom mention nga mo ke lo kuya pen kichan ene borwa ena wa nyeri o lo chalo ngo chalo muluka no preacher mo ma tika kin ma en kidri lo kere ngo on le dani po lo chalo dana nana we nyeri o logo chalo muluka mera tika tetongo tika tutu jiri because kache eno mention ni kuya pin o mi explaining kuya pin ene moronga mo kelo kuya pin ene lo bacholi wano nge o mabe ni kuya pin ene we were locked up in the camp for nearly 30 years Lutino, could be Lutino making you actually 90% for Dana Matia, KDP kind. I think they were born during the camp era, now or during Mamusel, because muso be ni wanyo chaka chaka cho so bero e kam mo bero ni ten mo don e kam me pa kilo ten ma nya don ma no kam pere. That's what we need to know. And then kuya pin in where go bero no ni iti mo gina ke po winye na no what that kinwa what day kira fa na wa ge actually one of gay because it come as queer pain and being exposed no worry will more any at least have been exposed pay more make a girl ta now way ini gay paying ngare bi tiene di my bi no doctor ni paying ngare di my bi no ngare bo ko so there is no point be la girl o mi ene mo le now way so nyeri o mi on look no ma be or explain a bit but on that one long we took it but we should not blame him one down me our interpreting chalo nye tika preaching ki don wa ti ki loke na we loka kuya pe and then loka pero chan yes chan any and still goes back to nga mo kilo chan chan la dillo mo se yo kilo chan bora chori ngata mo pere na we chan ti ma tek o we ko dong ino ni ngata mo ken me kin gang ku ya ngo tika charo mergi mo ken ma ti ke dong because of chan na we there is nothing you can do about apart from chat on matiene. Fire on them, explaining how are we going to cap this chan enemy. Now, but now this as KDP, what being a year. Now, one then kid or an kid me now, kill lopa chan and queer penny. How do we educate like a dare? Like kin gang matika charmaka enemy ali piari or kongomi ali miari or tia charmabiji. How do we teach them? That will be our role as KDP. Now, so let us forgive Pharaoh. On that we have interpreted it very, very wrongly. Now, I don't know him, but this is what I will also say again. I don't know that man, but let us listen to his look and in a different, in a positive way. Let us not listen to it in a negative way because catch our listen in a negative way where we are going to, what we developing negativity but when you listen in a positive way we are going to listen, we are going to develop positive. Ngoma will ngoma ro kwanyo ki lok pa fada onen, then what you can remain for your work. Man in a comedy go but one member, mingo, make ADP. No. Then look a go tibutual guinea. Near me while tibutual go tip for tibutual, tibutual nga. E muso ndi malokuya muso nyiro ko luor lungo nyi muso ko nyiri luor ni ko kirilo la leone na we. So it's very careful. Father onen ologoni this business in makan any it involve mo me example le kon one of the MP be no confessing here me charo be o yaro be I've never heard of the yaro be na we. So look at more exposing MP. Now we need to get this fire on enemy where we're exposing those MP because now what we need to do, we need to expose those MP marketing. Marketing ka chato yenene. Chinja neno la did honorable OO. Gucci farm mo why farm and the corner pa MP mo makone la me mo e ti ko ngare mo wade mo de ti kere. But go more down po mention nying at any na because the more our more law we're laying okay law and my America was exposing this MP marketing in this charcoal business where we need to start exposing them now where why not any it is charcoal business not any young katongo bell and what him gonna get in now they need to be exposed and I'm paying more and more now where so anyway any MP get an MPD being any look my right call is trying to expose the MP but tell me what you nyingi now way that's where his problem comes in. He should have exposed these people. They are any ko MP or MP angane or why out market any. Just expose them now. Tool mon and tool angane. What you must serve in UK China ya actually me or chana go good Museveni malakuya po bra go tibu Museveni kita there kan. Now, but when come Museveni binu gankuno liye chana yelo mo make me getting me a bit. Now, that's one problem that you did pero chan we ka cerka gama chele mia biji du ko yelo mano be paying be transfer no do ko yin ngene gang pay kere na we so and I end my submission kindly let us not take lock for fire on men in a negative way let us take lock for fire on men in a positive way and from there we can develop how KDP can approach the situation alega you will understand why do you copy. You will understand ngom ma la menwa princess or wajo. You understand when I say do you copy? You read those things. We as admin, we have to come up with a very clear strategy. Now, out of this fight or thing. Now, but don't even fight on anything will be long. Some was the admin we have already been talking. Now, what we can do better. Now, for the KDP. And for Wayne, I hope this message for but you are thinking nothing more. Yeah, I try to fight on them. I try to fight on them, but I just want to understand it in a positive way. And I don't like to be negative. Now, because be negative, now you will never move anywhere. Just try to be in a positive. I don't know why in a main. Just take it, yes. Then nothing on you, the way in a main. There's something in a main. Go back. Take it in a positive way. Then what phone you come on. And for you, God bless you all this morning. But I can't make on you. Can automatic reaction and come message say, hey, you when you are time kind this I didn't can you are time. And for you, DJ is out.